Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use one-handed mode in your OnePlus device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, then simply go to additional settings. Here it is the one-handed mode. Click on one-handed mode. You have to simply enable this. First you have to use gestures to use this one-handed mode. You can see it is enabled now. How you can use it? You have to just do this with your smartphone. You have to open any of the app. Let's choose Play Store. Then you have to just swipe up like this or swipe down. And friends, by swiping down you can see the one-handed mode is enabled and you can use this like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.